People often ask me what's the one thing they can do to become more productive in their daily work and life. In my opinion, one very powerful thing that you can do to become more productive is to develop the habit of note taking. Given the fast paced world we live in and the multitude of resources available, you can do that by choosing any one of the digital note taking apps. The advantage is that you will have your notes wherever you go, whenever you need them. One such digital note taking app is OneNote. An advantage that OneNote has over many other note taking apps, and that advantage is that it's completely free. Just because it's free does not mean that it lacks many of the features found in other note taking apps. OneNote has most of the features that other note taking apps have. Because OneNote is from Microsoft, you also get the advantage of the integration of OneNote with other Office applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even Outlook. If you wanted to see a complete overview of all of the features of OneNote, then you have come to the right place. We have a bunch of tutorials on this channel covering OneNote and other Office applications. Be sure to check them out. Microsoft OneNote is a digital note-taking tool that allows you to type or write your notes, draw sketches, and also get the OneNote app from the Windows Store on Windows 10. This may have changed though, so be sure to check the Microsoft page for the latest information about which versions are available. If you have a Mac, you can download the OneNote app for free from the Mac App Store. There are also mobile apps for Android and iOS smartphones. It's time to review the OneNote workspace. The main OneNote workspace is quite simple. On the top, you have the toolbar and different menu options. On the left, you see a navigation panel with all your notes in the form of sections or pages within them. You can also configure to show your notes or pages appear on the right. In the middle, you'll see this main workspace where you can write, type, or insert files from other applications. The left name next to which the down arrow icon appears is the name of your notebook. Next to it, you'll see the names of the different sections within your notebook on the left or to the right of your main workspace. Based on how you have configured it, you'll see the names of the different pages or notes that you have added to the current section within the current notebook. In OneNote, the highest level is a notebook. Think of each notebook as a separate project. For example, you can have one notebook for your work or client, another notebook for your personal life, another one for your goal. You can also organize each notebook as a set of sections or section groups. Within each section or notebook, you can create all of your notes as pages. If you are planning to go on a holiday, you can include your research about the holiday destinations on a single page. The pages can also contain sketches or file attachments or pictures. You can include a document as a printout and take your notes on top of the inserted printout as your annotations. To create a new section, click the plus icon to the right of the section names. To create a new page within the existing section, click the Add Page button or right-click in the empty area next to the pages and click plus New Page. Any changes that you make to a OneNote document are saved automatically to the cloud. If you're using the OneNote app on different devices, such as your smartphone, then click the sync icon that appears with the notebook name to ensure that all of your latest updates are available on that device. To rename a section or page, right-click the section or page. You can also drag your pages to change the sequence of notes within your section. Let's say you click the plus icon to add a new page. OneNote will add the creation date and time under the page title. You can provide your title above this timestamp, or you can add it to the left. The options within the view menu allow you to change the background color or the page layout, for example. If you want to work on a page in full screen, then you can click the double-ended arrow in the top right. When you start entering text on a page, OneNote adds the text into a box that it calls a container. You can resize these containers or even merge the different containers. The advantage of a note-taking application such as OneNote is that your notes do not exist as individual documents. You can add links between your notes. To link a note, you can use the Ctrl-K shortcut. Alternatively, right-click a page, then choose the option to copy its link. Then use Ctrl-V to paste its link on another page. If you want to mark items for later use as to-do items or label them, then you can use the tags option within the home menu. You can use one of the tags that OneNote provides. You can even create your own custom tags. To include other content within your OneNote pages, click the Insert menu and choose the content that you want to include. For example, you can import a table and specify the number of rows and columns. You can also include attachments within your OneNote pages. One of the cool features of OneNote is that you can dictate your notes. For example, use the speech-to-text option to convert your spoken content into text. Alternatively, you can record voice memos directly by choosing the Record Audio option in the Insert menu. Another cool feature of OneNote is the ability to draw or handwrite your notes. On the Draw menu, you get a variety of pen options to sketch your notes or add annotations to files. If you want to print the current page, section, or notebook, use the Ctrl-P shortcut to bring up the Print menu. On the Print menu, you can also set the orientation or the page size. OneNote allows you to collaborate with others. To share your notebook, just click the Share button on the top right and include the email address of the person or persons with whom you want to share your notebook. This option can be very useful if you're working with others on a project or even teaching a bunch of students. That's all that I have for this short introduction on OneNote. OneNote is a great note-taking tool, and what's more, it's free, so get started today. If you have any comments or questions about any of this content, then be sure to let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching.